So today I want to show you the Canopy Bedside Humidifier. This is a pretty cool machine. I will say it's not like any humidifier I've ever used. It was gifted to me, but this is a completely honest review. So I have it set up. It's already got some water in here, and it comes with this diffuser puck, which is kind of fun. And it came with this essential oil blend, and I highly recommend this blend. It smells really good, and it came with it, so pretty fun. The smell output is not substantial, but you'll smell it every once in a while, so kind of fun. So as you can see, I've got water in it. This comes right off, so you can fill it up in the sink, which is really nice. There's some humidifiers you can only fill up in the bathtub. And then over here, you can see I've got the filter. It's been used, clearly. So it starts to turn yellow, so then you know that you have nice, clean water coming into your air. I wanted to show you how loud the humidifier is. So I'm going to show you different settings, give it a pause so that you can hear it. So here we go. When you turn it on, this is kind of the medium setting, the auto setting. And then I'm going to turn it to low. And this one you can hardly hear. Like, I'm having trouble hearing it right now. So very low. And then when we go up to high, I will say this one's a little bit loud in my opinion, but it's not terrible. It's still manageable. So if you want some white noise at night, this is not too bad. So I'll go ahead and turn this off. One thing that I will say is, since you can't see the water output is actually not very substantial. I have a humidifier reading on my clock in my room, and it doesn't do a whole lot as compared to other humidifiers where you can see the water coming out of them. But it is nice to have just a little bit of extra clean water coming into the air, and it looks very easy to clean. Apparently you can put each of these pieces in the dishwasher, and I haven't had any buildup so far. Like, I've had it for at least a month, and I haven't had to clean it yet. So that's pretty crazy if you've ever had a humidifier. So cleaning is awesome. Water output, minimal. But ease of use, definitely great. So I would recommend this if you're looking for just a little bit of extra humidity. If you're looking for a lot more, I would probably go with something else.
One of the best kept secrets to healthy skin is a healthy environment and the right humidity. Compared to other humidifiers, which are a farm for mold and bacteria growth, and I don't know about you, but I do not want that in my environment or around my skin. I was curious to try out this humidifier once hearing about its more unique features. It has its own paper filter and a UV light and its unique airflow system to prevent bacteria and mold growth compared to other devices which do not do this. It has simple aromatherapy diffusion and is not loud at all. It also uses your room's natural light to determine how much humidity is released. It did not swamp my room with over humidity, but rather released clean, hydrated air. Would you try out this product? Let me know.